90%. That has been the brutal failure rate of drug development for decades. But as we sit here in 2026, that number is finally flinching. Right now, the first wave of fully AI-designed molecules are hitting Phase 3 trials, the ultimate prove-it moment for the industry. Before we dive into the data, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Do you think the first FDA approval for an AI-discovered drug will happen this year? Or are we still in the proof-of-concept phase? I'll be hearting the most insightful takes. Welcome back to Pharmalytics, and today we're looking past the marketing slides to see how AI is actually transforming R&D in the US. We aren't just talking about faster discovery anymore. We're talking about continuous biomanufacturing and the new FDA Credibility Framework. If you're a professional in the life sciences looking to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button. Let's break down the 2026 R&D landscape. In 2026, we've moved from predicting structures to generative de novo design. Companies like In Silico Medicine and Recursion are now compressing the traditional 4-year preclinical window down to just 13 to 18 months. US-based self-driving labs are running 24/7 experiments without human intervention, identifying hits with an 80 to 90% Phase 1 success rate, compared to the historical 52%. If you're operating in the United States, the biggest news of 2026 is the FDA and EMA joint principles. The FDA is no longer accepting black box AI. Any AI used in your research and development must now follow a risk-based credibility assessment. If your model influences a clinical endpoint, you need to prove exactly how it reached that conclusion. No more guessing. AI is finally solving the small data problem. For orphan diseases with tiny patient populations, AI-driven trial designs are becoming the industry standard to extract signals that traditional statistics simply miss. But let's be real, 2026 is also the year of investment discipline. The AI slop is being filtered out. US investors are no longer buying promises. They are looking for return on investment in production. Success in 2026 isn't just about having an algorithm. It's about having clean, GXP-compliant data. The bottom line? AI is no longer a future tool. It is the foundation of the 2026 R&D pipeline. If you want to deep dive into the specific FDA guidance documents we discussed, I've linked them in the description below. If this deep dive helped you understand the 2026 shift, give this video a thumbs up. And for my next video, should we cover AI in manufacturing or digital twins in clinical trials? Let me know in the comments. Pharmalytics will see you in the next one.